Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Pulse. First, let's talk about the design. The Mooncool Folding Camper Tricycle is built for both functionality and portability. It features a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum frame, making it strong enough to carry heavy loads without compromising on mobility. One of the standout features is its folding mechanism. Unlike traditional tricycles that take up a lot of space, this one folds down to a compact size, allowing you to transport it easily in the back of a car or store it in small spaces. It comes in a sleek and modern design, available in multiple colors. With a large puncture-resistant tires, it can handle different terrains, whether it's city roads, gravel paths, or light off-road trails. Now, let's talk about performance. The Mooncool Folding Camper Tricycle is equipped with a 7-speed gear system, providing a smooth and adjustable riding experience. Whether you're cruising on flat terrain or tackling uphill roads, the gear system ensures you have full control. For those who prefer electric assistance, there's an Trike version that includes a 250W motor, giving you an extra boost when needed. The battery life lasts up to 50 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for extended trips without worrying about running out of power. The suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, absorbing shocks from bumps and rough paths. And with its rear disc brakes, you get excellent stopping power, even in wet or slippery conditions. Now, here's where the Mooncool truly stands out. It's not just a tricycle. It's a camper on wheels. The rear cargo area is designed to carry camping gear, groceries, or even a small tent setup. But the best part? It includes a built-in fold-out sleeping platform. When parked, the back of the tricycle unfolds to reveal a compact sleeping area, big enough for one adult or two kids. It also includes a weather-resistant cover, protecting you from wind and light rain while you sleep. Additional storage compartments allow you to pack essentials like food, clothes, and cooking gear. There's even an optional solar panel upgrade, which can charge your devices or power small LED lights at night. So, who is the Mooncool Folding Camper Tricycle best suited for? If you love bikepacking, solo camping, or eco-friendly travel, this Trike is an excellent option. It's also a great choice for urban commuters who want the flexibility of a foldable tricycle, but with the added benefit of carrying heavy loads. For those who enjoy long-distance adventures, the electric assist version makes it even more convenient. And if you live in a small apartment or have limited storage, the foldable design is a huge advantage. The 2025 Mooncool Folding Camper Tricycle is priced competitively, starting at $12.99 and for the standard model and $17.99 and for the electric assist version. It's available for pre-order online and will be hitting major retailers by mid-2025. For those who want additional features like solar charging, a built-in GPS tracker, or a weatherproof camping kit, Mooncool offers upgrade packages to customize your trike according to your needs. So, is the 2025 Mooncool Folding Camper Tricycle worth it? If you're looking for a versatile, foldable, and adventure-ready ride, this trike ticks all the right boxes. It's compact, easy to ride, and packed with features that make it ideal for both daily use and weekend getaways. Would you take this tricycle on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest innovations in outdoor gear. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.